We have 5 intriguing details on Samsung's next foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7, which include both positive and dubious choices. Let's go in straight now. Although the Z Fold 6 is a good phone, let's face it, it's not Samsung's greatest folding phone since there is already a better model available with better cameras, larger screens, a smaller design, and a less noticeable crease. Basically everything we wanted from the beginning. Naturally, this decision let a lot of us down, particularly those who purchased the standard Fold 6. However, there is good news. It seems that Samsung has learned from its error and will not do the same one with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The Z Fold 7 will have the same display sizes as the Z Fold 6 Special Edition, with an 8-inch inner screen and a 6.5-inch cover screen, according to Rossian, CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultant. This is a significant improvement over the standard Fold 6, and it's not just about the size. We're also getting some of the best features of the Special Edition, like a 200-megapixel camera, a lighter and thinner design with less noticeable creases, and a punch-hole inner camera. The Z Fold 6 Special Edition is essentially becoming the Z Fold 7 worldwide. This is the deal. Does this imply that the Z Fold 7 will also support the S Pen, because the Z Fold 6 Special Edition does not? Regretfully, it seems that way. Ross Young claims that the Z Fold 7's display will not include a digitizer, which is a necessary part for the S Pen to work. In other words, it seems that the S Pen will not fit inside the Fold 7 and that there will not be a built-in slot for it. Skipping the digitizer makes shaving easier. Thus, that seems like a poor idea. Losing the S Pen seems like a step backward, even if the thickness is 6mm, exactly as they did with the Special Edition. There is a slim chance that Samsung is developing a workaround. According to reports from The Elect, they are developing a new technology that could let pens work without a digitizer, but there is a catch. It won't be ready until at least 2026, so whether this new pen tech makes it to the Z Fold 7 is still up in the air. Let's hope it does, since skipping the S Pen support would be a huge disappointment to a lot of people who have grown to appreciate it. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.